Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make a sales entry in Zoho Books. Recording sales properly helps us track revenue accurately, keep customer balances updated, and ensure our financial reports are organized and current. Let's get started. On the Zoho Books dashboard, we click Sales and go to Sales Order or Sales. Here, we can create a sales order. This is where we enter the customer's name. For example, we can add a customer's name here. We will put the billing date as tomorrow. The invoice number is 123. Since this is just an example, we can use any dates. Let's set the expiry date to the 28th. We can select delivery methods, such as cargo, service in person, or manage and add a salesperson. Here, we add the items and the quantity. For example, set the quantity to 2, then click on the item. We can choose between products and services, select the unit like box, and set the price to 20. This is just a sample. This is a sample goods item. We can share this as needed. Now we can add discounts. Just fill in these forms. If customers need terms and conditions, we can upload files. Once everything is done, just click Save and Send. Now, the sales order is ready. We can send it to customers. For example, select Save and Send. Once finished, the sales entry will appear in Zoho Books. Be sure to review the invoice details, tax settings, and payment status before saving to keep records accurate.